What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Pro in here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your Binance account with your local currency to be able to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance and also to buy cryptocurrencies on other exchanges and in other decentralized wallets. So let's dive into the video. So this is Binance, and if you don't have Binance, you need to download Binance from the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store. So when you are done downloading, you need to do something called KYC. You need to verify your account and all that with your ID card and all that. So when you are done, you have an interface like this. Maybe yours will be on Binance Lite, but you need to change it to something called Binance Pro to be able to fund it. So in the interface, you see a place in the section in there that says add funds. So you just have to press on add funds. And for you to be able to fund your Binance account, there are two options. You can either use something called P2P, peer-to-peer, where you have to send money to someone in your country, and the person will credit your account with USDT or the cryptocurrency that you prefer. Or you can use the card option. But in Africa, most of us are not allowed to use our card to be able to buy cryptocurrencies. But those outside the country, in the US, UK, France, you can be able to use your card to buy it. Or you can use other options to be able to fund your account, right? So we need to press on P2P because that's the only option that we have in here. So you press on P2P trading. So when you press on P2P trading, you are going to have an interface like this where you see a lot of sellers, a lot of people who are selling these cryptocurrencies and their exchange rate. So you can see that the first person in here is giving 16.2, the second person is giving 15.94 and stuff. But for those in Nigeria, I think you cannot use P2P for now. It's been banned in your country, but you can use Bybit. But whatever I do in here, you can do the same thing on Bybit and be able to fund your account. So it's showing GHS in here because so what you need to do first is that where on the topmost bar where you see P2P, you need to and GHS next to it, you need to press on the P2P and change it to Express because I want genuine people. I want to work with genuine people so that I wouldn't get scammed and all that. So all what you need to do is that when you press on Express, you have something like this, an interface like this. So mine is on GHS because I'm in Ghana, so it will link me to people in Ghana that I can do P2P with, peer-to-peer with. If you're in Nigeria, you have to change this. So Nigeria, you can't use this. If you're in Europe, you can press on Euro, but with you guys, I think you can either use the P2P and also use your Binance card, right? So if I change it to Euro, it's going to link me up with people in the European countries that I can exchange Euro with, and they can give me the cryptocurrency that I prefer, USDT or something. But I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to change it towards GHS. So now I've changed it to GHS. So this is what I'll have, an interface like this, and in here I have to type the amount of money that I want. So if you want to sell, it's the same thing. You just go to sell and you type the amount of money that you want to get into your mobile money or something, and you'll be able to sell. So I want to buy. So I type in, maybe I want to buy 200 Ghana cedi worth of USDT. So I type in 200 Ghana cedi. So when you type in 200 Ghana cedi, it will link you up with, so payment options will come. So we have MTN mobile money, Vodafone cash. So I'm using MTN, so I'm going to use MTN mobile money. And 200 Ghana cedi is now worth, with 200 Ghana cedi, I can get 12.49 USDT, right? And Binance will look for the best rate for me with genuine people. So I just press on MTN mobile money and press on confirm. So when I press on confirm, what next? It will link me up. So it linked me up with someone called Augustus. So all you need to do is that you need to press on view payment details so we can see his payment details, how we can pay him, right? So before that, what you need to do is I need to go to the chat session. When you go to the chat session, what you need to do is I need to view his payment terms. So he's saying that MTN cash out only. So for me to be able to get that USDT in my Binance, I need to do what? Allow cash out. So what you need to do is that you need to type in your number in here, your phone number in here. When you type in your phone number in here, then you would tell him that then you go and allow cash out. Then you come and tell him that you've allowed cash out. So you just receive an OTP on your phone, then you just type in your PIN, then he will see the money. Immediately you send the money. If you immediately send the money, what you need to do is that you need to press on transfer notify seller at the topmost corner. Transfer notify seller. If you don't press on transfer notify seller, Binance wouldn't know that you sent the money or something, right? So you need to press on transfer notify seller, and you have limited time, 30 minutes. So when you press on transfer notify seller, that is it. The guy would it would send the USDT into your wallet directly, automatically. You just receive the USDT in your wallet. You need to wait for some time. The guy release it and you receive it into your wallet. So when you are done funding your wallet, the money will appear in something called your funding wallet. So let me just cancel this. The money will appear in your funding wallet. So when the money appears, so I've cancelled this because I'm not continuing with this. So you go back to your home. So the money will appear in something called your funding wallet. This is where the money will appear. So when the money appears in here, you need to transfer the money from your funding wallet to your spot wallet to be able to withdraw the money and buy coins on Binance. So you just press on transfer. So when you press on transfer, you have funding and spot. So you just press on USDT, then you press on max, then you press on confirm, and you transfer the money from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. So now the money is in my spot wallet. So when the money appears in your spot wallet, all what you need to do is that you need to buy coins. You want to buy coins on Binance. I don't want to keep this video long. All you need to do is that you go to your home and you go to the search button at the top and you type the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So if it's Solana, you just press on SOLUSDT, then you press on buy. When you press on buy, you enter. At first you see in here that it is limits. You need to change it from limit to market. So you press on market, then you type in the amount that you want to use it to buy. If you want to use $10 to buy Solana, just press on $10, then you press on buy so now I bought so when I go I go home and I go back to my wallet and I refresh the page. When I refresh it, now I've bought SOL in here. So you can see SOL $9.88. So this is basically how to fund your account and how to buy coins on your Binance. In the next session, I'm going to do a video on how you can transfer the money that you funded your account with on Binance, how you can transfer it to your Phantom wallet to be able to buy coins on your Phantom wallet or in your Ton wallet to participate in airdrops and all that. It was nice having you all. I hope you enjoyed this session. Bye for now.